We'll guide you through how to delete your Instagram account. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.
First of all, you need to go to your Instagram profile. So go to the bottom right and click on your profile icon. Then go to the top right of the Instagram profile page and go and click on the three lines, and this should take you to your settings and privacy page. At the top here, you then need to go and click on the account center. Scroll down the account center until you go and see personal details and click there. And in this section, you need to go to the bottom and go and click on account ownership and control. You'll then see the option for deactivation or deletion. Click there. You then need to choose the account which you wish to go and delete if you've got multiple here. I want to do the guide around Instagram, so I'll click there. You need to choose if you wish to deactivate your account or delete it. I want to delete it, so I'll click continue. You need to provide a reason for why you're deleting your Instagram account, and then they may try and provide a solution for that. In this case, I'll just click on concern about my data and click on continue. Now I need to enter my Instagram password. After you've entered it, click on continue like this. It's important to note that there is a period of time for where you can go and recover your account. It will just be hidden until that day, and on that date, it will be permanently deleted. So if you're sure, click on delete account like so, and just like that, it will go and say your account is now scheduled for deletion.